welcome to Bohol. We are here to do our countryside tour. We are going to be going to the Targier Sanctuary, the Chocolate Hills, the Lubbock River Cruise. I believe there's even Butterfly Sanctuary, but we will see. Welcome to the Targier Sanctuary. We are whispering because we are in the quiet zone right now. A ferry from Cebu that costs $5.80 per person one way. We will show you these Targiers. They are very keen to sound, that's why we are whispering. On our second destination here in Lubbock, are doing a river cruise, and they are going to be serving us lunch, all-you-can-eat buffet on the river. So
all you can eat Targier.
No Targier eating here. Just finished up the river cruise buffet, and wow, that was definitely worth it. It was a very long wait only because we went during the peak lunchtime, but once we got on the boat, the food was delicious. Had a singer and he was doing classic songs. Did I say the food was amazing? Because it was.
Hey guys, we are now here at Lubbock Adventure Park. We're gonna do cable cart and zip line. Cart, and it was so nice and it was really worth it, and I definitely recommend coming and doing the cable cart and even the zip line. The view is absolutely gorgeous. We just got to the very top of Chocolate Hills, and Raymart was about to set up his drone to fly it, but this stopped him. So apparently you could only fly it before 8 a.m. and it is after 8, so no flying the drones. Definitely are going to be coming back here
here at Bohol. The whole entire place was just amazing. They offer so many experiences, even things that are not on the tours. Like you can go rent ATVs and go on trails, or just rent a motorbike and travel the roads because they're perfect for driving. Although it was pretty packed when we came due to it being Chinese New Year, we still had an amazing time, and definitely, if you're looking for an adventure, come to Bohol. It is definitely worth it. See you guys next time.